Yeah, from mommy and daddy. You like it? This is a magic, you know, like you want the water.
Like the one from the Halloween. Oh, I like some. Kanito.
Mine. Okay.
Ito?
Yeah, open
Regalo
it.
kay Liza?
Did you open this one? Did you open this?
Me, it's mine.
Okay, Angelica, can you take a picture first? So we can...
Oh, ganda ng regalo ko.
No, this is for you.
Guys, ano ko?
Gawin naman kami.
Ang regalo ko sa kanya yan. Regalo ni Pixie. Gusto niya yung kulay na binigay ni Pixie.
Fresh kayo? Ito sa akin. Wala?
Ito.
Dito kayo to.
Kay Arian.
Gawin din kayo, no?
Hindi, sa akin yan. Regalo ko pa. I wonder what this is.
Ano yung ripple to?
How did you open this? From Ate Arian.
Ha?
Magkisi ka yan. They want
Kaya
one.
na yung wanted it.
Give me daddy mo.
You.
Wow, you share. Arian.
You should have.
Ano yun?
Mari said she wanted.
Ah,
Bigyan mo kay daddy mo yung gift. Oh,
Angelica.
here's
Wow! Yeah, who's
Do
this?
you make gift?
Okay, thank you.
Wow, dating daw sa dalawa.
Ayan.
This is from Arian.
Wow!
Ano yung ganito?
Hey, like Arian.
This is,
Eliza.
Dad.
Oh, Eliza from Ate
This is
Angelica.
for
Open mo.
Daddy from Mommy.
Oh, I wonder what it is. Yeah, I
What is
wonder.
it? Wow!
Wow! Surprise! Yeah.
Cover ko doon. Ready na yun eh.
Surprise!
Yung cover ko ulit may cover.
Eh, iwan lang natin yung white elephant. Pati.
Anak, that's my cover there.
Ikaw muna ba
Sama
dito?
cover.
Yeah!
Wow! You see the cover? On the table there?
Yeah, from mommy.
Oh,
Nanay. Ano na yun? Oh, what is it?
Mommy, ano natin yan?
On the table, small table there. At the back.
O, tignan mo pa doon, meron pa doon.
What are you talking about? I don't know.
Yung cover, there is a, gano'n. Makita ko na yung receipt.
Wow. Ano ah?
What cover? Where?
Ako, alam pala to.
What room?
Ah, the front. The front.
that?
Table. The front table.
Ayun pa sa dulo, ano yun din?
Ilang kano yung meron mo? Ay, di mo na mo. Angelica, read, ano to? Ano ba to? Ayan. Ano ko lagay? Babasa, ma'am? Lagay mo, ano, wala, ano, wala.
No, what are you, what am I looking for?
The
Angelica, from Lolo mo.
Nandun sa may small table.
I don't know. No, that's mine. Oh, be careful, baka maano si Eliza.
Ito, ito, Eliza.
Eliza, open your gift.
No, Ramon.
Wow!
Tingnan po ako ng thank you, Eliza. Pwede ba di lang meron?
Wow!
Ayan ang oras.
Nice. Oh, this one, did you open this? What's this? To Eliza, from Ate Mika. Wow! You got a jacket. And what's this? Here. Eliza, here. You got a mini blanket. Oh, Santa. It's a dog. Oh, that's something good for night. What's this?
Sige, yan sa kaya, no?
That's the one I got. The cup. Yeah. You got the one, the pink one, so this is mine. I like the light.
Kaya Eliza to, di ba?
Yeah, I think. Yours is. No, that's acid.
Ito pa Eliza sa'yo.
You want it to it? You want this? Paano mo na ano yan? Saan mo bukas yan? Okay,
Excuse me?
You can have this?
No, I mean, if you want it, it's okay. I can have the bigger one. No, it's okay. How you gonna are you gonna use that at school?
No, it's jacket. Baka beautiful, no? Alexa.
Ano sa'yo, gusto mo ba na to? Or ano?
You don't know. Pang makapalan. Ano size to?
Actually, ikaw muna. Ang sisipat mo. Kung ayaw mo, bigyan mo sa akin.
Did you get all the gifts just so they can work on you?
Ayos to.
Baka gusto mo to, Arian? O yung ayaw mo nito?
The other one.
Asya.
Hindi ko ayun eh.
Tulog pa nga eh, oh.
Yay, $15.
Ha?
$15 for the
Wow!
Oh, that's you. Oh, sticker. Sticker, you have to put it in the case. Let me see what's on. That's 8 AirPods 4.
Is this new?
Yeah, that's the latest one. 4.
Really?
4.
Doesn't Daya already have an iPad?
No, this one is work. The one I have, I gave it to Eliza.
Ano pa kayo ba aso?
Ako rin.
Hingay natin.
Kumain na ba yan?
Kumain mo yung umaga yan?
Wala kayong maga?
Ay, di ano?
Arian? Kumain mo yung Jerica.
Hindi na, mamaya pa.
Ayaw mo yan? Ikaw muna sa ulo mo. Kung kasya. No? It's okay?
I know you want it, Mom. You already have your own. What do you mean?
Does it feel young? That's my old one. I can give you the old one. I can use that. What charges first?
No, usually this is going
Oh, I think never see there's a name there, right? Ano? Ayun kasi sa'yo name, may pangalan ha.
Ano yung damit mo na? Nililinis ko nga eh.
Dino naman. Ha? Dino. Nandiyan ko.
Saan? Ito.
See?
Ang lit-lit. Hindi mo na makita.
Where?
Kailan isa ba doon?
Ay, hindi ko nagyan. Ano ko meron?
Did they do it? Oh, yeah. How do I connect it, though?
Mamaya na na.
It's usually a button.
Mamaya, kukuha ka ito mamaya.
Oh, Liza, yung ano mo. Toys mo ha? Ito, Liza, here. This is...
Teka, ang tawag ng mga
Tawag
to.
to.
Binigay ko rin yung envelope niya. Ante ko na lang yung envelope ng dami nila.
Envelope. Bibigyan ko siya ng blank envelope so he can...
Man.
What's that from that for daddy? 4? Yeah, for me. Oh, that's the cake.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was a painting. And Arian, you can put that here. Take off the daddy. This is a gift from daddy. Or from for daddy. You want me to take off the thing so we can eat the
Mufasa, quiet.
Pasa ka na ngayon.
Wow, did you already see the toy?
This is what I was supposed to give you, right?
I already have my own.
Yeah, but it's almost empty.
Talong binali.
Oh, there's another cup. Ano yung
Kaya mamaya ka, nililinis ko nga eh. Hindi na matapos na nalilinis.
Regalo kay ate, gusto mo yung cup na yan.
Sabi mo na, display na rin.
Lagay mo doon sa ano.
Lumulagay ka na to, Arian.
Okay, wala yung sate.
Nalaban na to.
Hindi, stupid natin. Ito ang ilagay mo dito sa freezer. Tagal ka, Jess. Yeah, ilagay mo doon sa ano.